Quality of service, or QoS, is the ability in a router to differentiate Internet traffic by type, such as video, voice, and data, and assign a different priority to that traffic to maximize available bandwidth. With no QoS enabled, the X6 router simply allocates bandwidth on a first-come, first-served basis. This can greatly affect the user experience when lots of new apps and devices connect. With the majority of the bandwidth taken up by a BitTorrent download, Netflix viewing and online gaming suffer. To meet the demands of today's and tomorrow's Internet traffic, NETGEAR developed Dynamic QoS. There are 4 capabilities that separate NETGEAR Dynamic QoS from other QoS methods. First, the X6 recognizes applications and allocates the bandwidth required by each. The X6 smartly manages bandwidth, so latency-sensitive apps always get through first. Video streaming gets the largest possible bandwidth, and lower priority apps never get choked off. Second, the X6 can differentiate between types of video streaming. The X6 intelligently and dynamically balances buffering and bandwidth to deliver optimal viewing experience. Third, the X6 is device-aware. It recognizes different devices and allocates the optimal bandwidth for each. If the same Netflix app is streaming to a TV and a laptop, the X6 gives the optimal bandwidth to the TV. Fourth, cloud updating. The X6 stays current with the latest apps and devices with regular, automatic updates from the NETGEAR cloud. Now let's see the difference Dynamic QoS makes. One click in the X6's user interface turns on the router's Dynamic QoS. Or, with just a couple of taps, you can turn on Dynamic QoS from your mobile device. As before, when the laptop begins the BitTorrent download, the router allocates the available bandwidth for it. But now, when the Netflix video and the online game begin, the X6 adjusts the bandwidth allocation, giving less bandwidth and lower priority to the BitTorrent download. The X6's Dynamic QoS prioritizes the connected devices, making sure each gets the bandwidth it needs for the best connected experience. The X6 handles all this dynamic bandwidth allocation seamlessly and automatically. There's no setup or user configuration required. You can also monitor your network traffic from your mobile device. View your bandwidth usage by device or by application. Only NETGEAR Dynamic QoS is application-aware, video-aware, device-aware, and updatable from the cloud. Find out more about the amazing Nighthawk X6 AC3200 tri-band router from NETGEAR.